Hello and welcome. Okay, so today I'm going to be going over how to ask for reviews using your Google business. So, this is what often will happen. So, I see people oftentimes just asking their clients to go and search for them on Google so that they can leave a review. And I'll show you what can happen when you do that. So let's say for me, my company is called Design Desk. So if I were to say, sorry, Design Desk, right? So let's say I just typed that because I said search for Design Desk. This is what they would get, right? What are they? Design Desk. So is my profile here? Probably not. Probably not on the first page and probably not in a while. So you want to make sure that you're sending people directly, so making it as easy as possible for them to leave a review. So how do you do that? You're gonna go here, you're gonna click on ask for reviews, and then this link will send them directly to where they're gonna leave a review. So let's say I paste that, and it's gonna show up, and now I can leave myself a review, 5 stars. I can write something in here, and then add photos if I want to, and then post. This is where you want people to be sent to, because they will immediately, like wherever they're from, like wherever they're coming from, like website or phone, they will land here, and so they will just be leaving a review right away for your business. So how do we get this link to them? So there's two ways. You can either send it through a text or have a QR code that people can scan. The QR code can have multiple uses, or I would say, yeah, multiple uses. So let's say if you have a product, you could have a QR code in the label and then ask people, just make sure that it's big enough for people to scan. And then it can be on the label, people can scan it, it will be sent to them leaving a review. Or if it's a service, I've seen people either carry it on a sheet of paper, or if they have like a physical store, they would have it put up somewhere where the people can scan the QR code, or even on a keychain. If you have it on a keychain, you can pull it out and then let people scan it, and then they will send out to that page. So how do you do that? So you're gonna copy the link, and then you're gonna search for QR code generator. I don't want to suggest one in particular. Today I'm going to be using QR Code Monkey, just because I've used it in the past, but I've used multiples of these. As you can see, like they're all colored. I just think I haven't used this one because it just has too many steps, so I'm like, nah. QR code generator, Canva, like all these work fine. Canva is good. I've used that in the past. It just has too many steps. Like you have to sign in and like go and create a new design. So like Canva is good because like you can already, like if you're gonna pull it up on your store, like on your physical store, and you're gonna have it, you want it to look nice, then Canva is nice because you can just put it on a design right after. But for today's reason, I'm just gonna use QR code monkey. A lot of these pages are just wanting to ask for money if like you're trying to like color things, or you want to get it in a certain type of file, probably like this. But if not, then everything else is good. All right, so I clicked on create QR code, and now I can download it, and then if people scan the link or scan the QR code, they will be sent to the that same review page. Awesome. All right. Then the last thing that I normally send people to do is to create a custom message, right? So obviously we can use ChatGPT to do that. And what I said, you can say something along the lines of, could you please help me write a short text message to send to my clients to ask for a review? I do web design service, and this is my review link. So you can paste your review link in here. Could you ask them to share their experience in terms of telling others their story and what they achieve after working with us? So this thing came up with Hi, client's name. This is blank from blank company. I really appreciate if you could share your experience working with us in a quick review. Your story can help others understand how our web design services made an impact. Here's the link. So, sorry. So it adds the link, and then thank you so much for your support. Easy as that. You can copy it, so you can have it so that where it doesn't have the person's name, or you can leave it however you want to do it, and then set it up to be an automatic text. So, and then you can search this for your own. So like, let's say iPhone, how to create automatic messages or shortcuts, I think is what they're called. So if you search for automatic message shortcuts, personal automation in shortcuts, automation, hold on. All right, I'm back. So the magic of the editing, or pausing in this case. Okay, so basically for Android and iPhones, you have different different ways of doing it. So you know how you can type OMW and then that will replace it with On My Way. Similar to that, you can use it to say, if I type these 3 letters, replace it with this entire message, right? So if you do that, then you can just automatically, once you're out of a job, you can just type those 3 letters, space, it will fill it out, do it for you. Same with Android. If you look it up, they're just called shortcuts. So you can probably just look up how to make text message shortcuts Android, how to make text message shortcuts iPhone, and it will show you. It will show you where you gotta go. Basically, it's editing the personal dictionary, and then you can make your own. You can add your entire message in there and make it a custom link to that. So that's another way that you can really take advantage of a message like that, instead of having it to write every time and then send it. Especially if you have multiple customers in a month, in a week, or whatever. So it just saves you time. If not, then you can make them personalized. But there you go. All right. So as always, if you have questions, leave them down below in the comments. Let me know. Leave a like if this worked. If this worked for you. If you have questions, let me know. Whatever. I'm always here. All right. Have a good one.